Welcome, foodies and kitchen enthusiasts. Well, today we're going all in on 50 useful Amazon kitchen gadgets. I'm gonna name each one before digging in, so you'll know exactly what it does and if it's worth your hard-earned money. Every link's down in the description. Let's roll in. First up, the Full-Star Vegetable Chopper. If chopping onions brings tears to your eyes, literally, this device is a lifesaver. With super sharp blades, multiple dicing attachments, and a spacious catch tray, meal prep is suddenly neat and lightning fast. Its sturdy build makes it perfect for everything from tomatoes to carrots, and cleanup is wonderfully easy, just pop it in the dishwasher. Beginners and pros alike love it for its reliability and speed. Next, the Kitchi Pizza Cutter Wheel. Forget fighting with dull blades and uneven slices, this cutter glides smoothly, giving perfect pieces every time. Its ergonomic shape fits naturally in your hand, offering better control and safety, especially for family pizza nights. Cleanup is as easy as rinsing and tossing in the dishwasher, making pizza night a breeze. 3. Alpha Griller's Meat Thermometer. Moving to grilling essentials, the Alpha Griller's Meat Thermometer is a must for perfectly cooked meat. It instantly displays temperatures with precision, so you never worry about undercooked chicken or overdone steak. The waterproof body means it survives kitchen mishaps, and large numbers make it readable even in low light. Essential for anyone who takes their meats seriously. 4. Ozeri Pronto Digital Food Scale. Now, the Ozeri Pronto Digital Food Scale. Precision matters, and with this scale, measuring flour, sugar, or even postage is simple. It handles up to 11 pounds with accurate 0.04 ounce graduations and features a tare button for easy ingredient subtraction. The large surface fits big bowls, the LCD is clear, and it switches between units for global recipes. Award-winning for good reason, it's sleek, reliable, and affordable, a must for bakers and meal preppers. 5. Bella 2-Tier Food Steamer. Meet the Bella 2-Tier Food Steamer, your fast track to healthy meals. Its two stackable baskets let you steam fish, veggies, dumplings, and rice simultaneously, preserving nutrition and flavor. Auto shut-off and boil-dry protection keep everything safe, while dishwasher-safe lids ensure quick cleanup. Health-conscious cooks rave about its 7.4-quart capacity and stylish modern look, making steaming simple for families and solo chefs alike. 6. Hamilton Beach Dual Breakfast Sandwich Maker. Next is the Hamilton Beach Dual Breakfast Sandwich Maker. Skip breakfast chains and save cash. In under 5 minutes, you get fresh, hot, customizable sandwiches. It's compact, easy to clean, and lets you use your choice of bread, meats, and fillings. Perfect for busy mornings or creative brunches, it's earned thousands of 5-star reviews from happy breakfasters. 7. Immersion 5-in-1 Immersion Hand Blender. For blending that won't tie up counter space, check out the Immersion 5-in-1 Hand Blender. Whip, blend, chop, puree, and slice, all with one device. Soups, smoothies, salsas, and whipped creams are done quickly and evenly, thanks to multiple attachments and easy controls. Clean up? Just rinse and go. 8. Eurolux Electric Citrus Juicer. If you love fresh juice, the Eurolux Electric Citrus Juicer is a game changer. With just a simple press, it extracts every last drop of juice from oranges, lemons, and limes. No hand cramps or sticky fingers. Its sturdy motor means you can juice for a crowd, and all parts are removable for washing. 9. Gemfino Stainless Steel Food Mill. For silky sauces, baby food, and mash, the Gemfino Stainless Steel Food Mill is a pro tool. It strains seeds and skins, producing super smooth purees. The stainless steel body lasts for years, and its rotating handle is gentle but effective. 10. Gagaki Pancake Batter Dispenser. Making pancakes for the whole family? The Gagaki Pancake Batter Dispenser brings ease to breakfast. Just squeeze the handle and out comes a perfect circle or fun shape. Great for portion control and reducing mess, it's a must for home brunches and birthdays. 11. Kenmore Multi-Tool Bottle and Can Opener. The Kenmore Multi-Tool Bottle and Can Opener is a kitchen classic. Sturdy and ergonomic, it makes opening cans, bottles, and pull tabs simple for anyone, even those with limited grip strength. One tool replaces several, decluttering your drawer. 12. Magnetic Measuring Spoons Set. Magnetic measuring spoons, set, are an organizational dream. They snap together, no more digging for the right size, and are double-sided for liquid and dry ingredients. Magnets mean they nest tidily in a drawer or stick to your fridge for easy access. 13. Oil and Vinegar Dispenser Set. Keep olive oil and vinegar handy with the stylish Oil and Vinegar Dispenser Set. Drip-free spouts make pouring exact, and the slender glass bottles look elegant on any countertop. You'll upgrade your salads and cooking with clean, measured pours. 14. Glass Spice Jars Kit with Labels. The Glass Spice Jars Kit with Labels helps declutter cabinets and organize spices. Refillable glass jars with pre-written labels make finding paprika or cumin fast. Attractive, easy to clean, and ideal for home cooks who love organization. 15. Pasta Portion Measuring Tool. Never overserve pasta again. Use the pasta portion measuring tool to get the right quantity for singles, couples, or family dinners. Built-in guides eliminate guessing, reducing food waste and ensuring perfect portions. 16. PrepWorks Adjust-to-Slice Mandolin Slicer. Safe slicing is key. The PrepWorks Adjust-to-Slice Mandolin Slicer gives professional thin or hearty slices quickly. Adjustable blades, finger guards, and a non-slip base keep hands safe, making salads and veggie platters simple. 17. Joseph Nesting Bowl Set. Space Savers Unite. The Joseph Nesting Bowl Set matches bowls, measuring cups and utensils all in one compact stack. Great for small kitchens or bakers organizing their workspace. Plus, the colors make cooking brighter. 18. Chef N Zip Strip Herb Stripper. Tired of picking herb leaves? The Chef N Zip Strip Herb Stripper makes pulling rosemary, thyme, or cilantro easy. Slide the stem through the right hole, leaves fall into the bowl, stems tossed out. Handy for flavor-packed dishes. 19. OXO Good Grips Salad Spinner. Say goodbye to damp lettuce. The OXO Good Grips Salad Spinner dries leafy greens quickly with one-handed spinning. Its durable bowl doubles as a salad server, and non-slip feet keep everything steady. Used by chefs everywhere. 20. Dash Rapid Egg Cooker. More than just eggs, the Dash Rapid Egg Cooker steams, poaches, and hard-boils up to 6 eggs in minutes. Compact, foolproof, and easy to clean, essential for breakfasts, snacks, and prepping salad ingredients. 21. Zului Milk Frother. Get coffee shop results with the Zului Milk Frother. This handheld device gives creamy foam for lattes, cappuccinos, and hot chocolates. It charges quickly, works with any milk, and adds a touch of luxury to your morning routine. 22. Collapsible Silicone Colander. A space-saving wonder, the collapsible silicone colander folds flat for storage, then expands to hold pasta or washed vegetables. Heat-proof and sturdy, it's perfect for small apartments and busy families alike. 23. One-Touch Electric Can Opener. Don't wrestle with manual openers. The One-Touch Electric Can Opener does it all. Just place on a can, press the button, and watch it open flawlessly. Ideal for cooks of any age and ability. 24. Dual Layer Over the Sink Drying Rack. Dry dishes, and save counter space, with the dual layer over the sink drying rack. Holds plates, cups, utensils, and even fresh veggies. Water drips right into the sink for quick dry and easy cleanup. 25. Reusable Silicone Food Storage Bags, Set. Ditch disposable plastic. The reusable silicone food storage bags are eco-friendly, leak-proof, and safe for freezer or microwave. Perfect for snacks, meal prep, and saving leftovers without harming the planet. 26. Progressive Onion Chopper. The Progressive Onion Chopper dices onions fast with minimal tears. Sturdy design, sharp blades, and a large catch tray make it great for prepping big recipes and keeping fingers safe. 27. Avocado Slicer and Pitter Tool. Enjoy perfect avocados with the Avocado Slicer and Pitter Tool. Pit, slice, and scoop all in one. Less mess, more guac. Non-slip grip and dishwasher friendly for easy cleanup. 28. Silicone Pot Strainer Clip. The silicone pot strainer clip attaches to pots for fast, spill-free draining. No extra colander needed, just clip and pour. Flexible, heat-proof design works on almost any pan. 29. Mixology Bartender Kit. Craft incredible cocktails with the Mixology Bartender Kit. Shaker, strainer, muddler, and more in a stylish set. Host parties or elevate your nightcap with pro-level tools. 30. Watermelon Slicer. Slice and serve watermelon with the Watermelon Slicer. This gadget quickly creates even cubes, making summer snacking simple and hands clean. 31. Stainless Steel Microwave Popcorn Maker. Enjoy healthier popcorn with the Stainless Steel Microwave Popcorn Maker. No oil needed, just kernels and a few minutes for fresh, crunchy results, perfect for movie nights. 32. Farberware Open Steamer Basket. Versatility in steaming. Farberware Open Steamer Basket expands to fit most pots, steaming veggies, dumplings, or seafood. Folds flat for storage, and keeps food deliciously healthy. 33. Stainless Steel Butter Cutter. Slice butter perfectly with the stainless steel butter cutter. Get even pats for toast, baking, or recipes. No messy knives or sticky fingers. 34. Meat claws/shredders. Pulled pork and shredded chicken are easier with meat claws/shredders. Sturdy, heat-proof, and efficient. They handle big roasts and keep hands safe from the heat. 35. Compact stainless garlic press. Crush garlic fast. Compact stainless garlic press delivers minced garlic with a single squeeze. No peeling required, dishwasher safe, and compact for easy storage. 36. Chef N Garlic Zoom Chopper. The Chef N Garlic Zoom Chopper is a fun, speedy way to chop garlic. Roll the mini device and watch it dice up cloves. Mess-free, safe for kids, and quick to rinse. 37. Rubbermaid Brilliance Pantry Storage Set. Rubbermaid Brilliance Pantry Storage Set keeps grains, snacks, and cereal airtight and organized. Stackable, clear containers make it easy to see contents, saving money and reducing waste. 38. Egg Separator Tool. Baking just got cleaner. The egg separator tool makes splitting yolks and whites super easy, so recipes are more foolproof and less messy. 39. Digital Spoon Scale. Measure spices and liquids accurately using the digital spoon scale. Perfect for delicate baking and diets. Just scoop and read the weight, ensuring every teaspoon is spot on. 40. Silicone Pancake Flipper Ring. Make picture-perfect pancakes. The silicone pancake flipper ring shapes and flips batter for round, even results. Heat-proof for stovetop cooking, and easy to wash. 41. Rapid Ramen Cooker. Ramen lovers rejoice. The Rapid Ramen Cooker makes noodles in minutes, microwave safe and simple to use. No boiling water or extra pots required. 42. Sweejar Ceramic Butter Dish. Add elegance and function with the Sweejar Ceramic Butter Dish. Keeps butter fresh and perfectly spreadable, with a stylish, colorful design for the table. 43. Norpro Grip Easy Jar Opener. No more wrestling jars. The Norpro Grip Easy Jar Opener gives leverage and grip for all lid sizes, essential for sauces, jams, and pickles. 44. Silicone Baking Mat Set. Bake mess-free with the silicone baking mat set. Reusable, non-stick mats replace parchment paper and reduce waste. Perfect for cookies, breads, and chocolate work. 45. Stainless Steel Lemon Squeezer. Get every drop out with the stainless steel lemon squeezer. Compact, powerful, and ergonomic for fresh juice in recipes, drinks, and dressings. 46. Aerolatte Handheld Milk Frother. Upgrade coffee at home with the Aerolatte Handheld Milk Frother. Whips milk to creamy foam, portable, battery run, and easy to clean for everyday indulgence. 47. Multi-pack mason jar lids, reusable. Switch to multi-pack mason jar lids, reusable, for eco-friendly food storage, fermenting, and travel drinks. BPA-free, leak-proof, and easy to clean. 48. Collapsible Measuring Cups. Save drawer space. Collapsible measuring cups snap flat, expand for use, and are color-coded for quick reference. No more clutter and easy accessorizing for any kitchen. 49. Adjustable Rolling Pin. Level up baking with the adjustable rolling pin. Built-in guides let you roll dough to precise thickness, so pie crusts and cookies turn out perfectly even. 50. Dash Rapid Egg Cooker. Wrap up with the Dash Rapid Egg Cooker, hard, soft, or poached eggs done in minutes. An essential for breakfast lovers and meal preppers who want healthy eating made easy.